you have been exposed to some sort of radiation, whether through medical scans, environmental toxins, just everyday toxins, and you want to know how to get those out, then you want to stay tuned, okay? Because I'm going to break it down as per usual. Hey friends, welcome back to Essence of Earth. As usual, I am your hostess with the mostest, Miss Nikita, and you guys know we're going to talk about everything that's going to help you improve the quality of your life. And again, I won't be long, but I won't be strong, okay? So we're going to hop right into it. But before we do, you know, you got to subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post. So let's get into it. Up first, we have Kelp, Dulse, and Bladderwrack. These are going to help protect the thyroid because of the iodine. It is going to bind to those radioactive isotopes and get it out of your body. So make sure you're implementing these 3 seaweeds in the form of soups, capsules, however your body so desires. Next, we have Chlorella de Vel. But Chlorella, it is a freshwater algae. Some of the benefits includes binding to heavy metals and radiation. It's going to boost immunity, help cell repair, and you can take these in the form of tablets or powder in smoothies. Up next, we have Siberian ginseng. This is actually one of my favorites, and it's found in my Feel Good formula. It'll be linked below. But the Siberian ginseng is an adaptogenic herb. It's going to protect the bone marrow as well as protect the blood cells. It is going to help the body recover from radiation, stress, and you can take this as a tincture, a tea, or a capsule. And you know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. I bet you didn't know that Apple Pectin found in the apple is really good at removing radiation from the body, okay? And the saying is true, an apple a day will keep the doctor away. So you can consume the apples, just eat the apples, or you can actually purchase Apple Pectin. It's typically used in jams and stuff like that, but you can actually buy the Apple Pectin and include it into your diet, your routine in that way. It's extremely important that when you're removing any type of radiation or toxins from the body, you want to make sure your eliminative channels are open. So you want to make sure that your kidneys are filtering, you want to make sure your bowels are moving, and you want to sweat. You want to make sure your skin is open and free and get to sweating so these toxins can get out of you, because the last thing that you want to do is start moving toxins and they not have an exit route. So make sure that your skin is opened up so you can sweat freely, get into a sauna, make sure you're drinking water, make sure your kidneys are filtering, and make sure your bowels are moving. So you taking these things, you want to get these toxins out. So you got to make sure your eliminative pathways are open and available to get these toxins out of you. Now, a few bonus things that you can include into your diet. You can include cilantro. Oh, I love saying that. It makes me feel like, ay, papi. Cilantro. You can include spirulina along with the chlorella. Spirulina is a little bit better, if you ask me. Burdock root is a staple in my household. It's in my cough tea, which is actually linked below. And then on top of that, we have reishi mushroom. And you know, you can take a mushroom in the form of a powder or tincture or a capsule. So those are a few extras that you can add into your daily routine and help you get this radiation out of you. I know a lot of people are going through different therapies and they have to get these scans. People live in toxic areas and they want to know how to get these toxins out of their body, or you know, you're just dealing with everyday toxins. But these are some great ways that you can naturally eliminate radiation from the body. Stay hydrated, and I hope this has been a blessing. Stay tuned for my next video on Sunday, where we'll be talking about different things that you could do to help shrink fibroids. Stay tuned. Love you to life. Bye.